So I've had this office chair for a couple of years now. The chair is actually kind of comfortable. It's not a really expensive chair. It's really actually inexpensive. The rollers that came with it are horrible. The chair doesn't roll anywhere, so you've got to really push it to get it to move. So what I did is I went over to Lowe's and I picked up some Decorative office chair rollers. So a pack of 5 holds 650 pounds. I'm going to pop these on and see if it makes a difference in the chair. Again, chair wheels, plastic, don't roll for squat. So let's see how hard they are to change. I know they just pop in, so it shouldn't take a lot. So there are my wheels, and these you can get in black. I think you can get white, clear. It's just whatever. I don't care. It's in my office, so I'm anyone going to see it. And again, this has I believe a 7/16 inch stem on it, so you need to make sure yours is. Most office chairs are about the same. Every now and then you get one that is not. I'm just going to take the chair over and try to get out of the camera here. And I'm just going to pull. And the wheels pop right off. Pop that one off. And pop that one in. Rotate. Push and you'll hear these click in place. If not, the first time you sit on, they'll lock in place. Once they're all in, flip your chair up and you should be good. Rolls perfectly fine. Wheels cost about 35 bucks plus tax at Lowe's. Again, the chair was probably a $100 chair, so it's probably not worth the price of the chair, but again, the chair is comfortable. I like the chair.